We are loading 250 kilograms, 550 pounds. The weight is about the 3 grown men standing on the point. Listen, no cracking sounds at all. Look at these weldings, no bunging an inch. We just unload it and it snaps right back, perfectly flat. That's what industrial grade precision. Humans get tired, but robots don't. Look at this weld. It's perfect precision every single time. It means your 1000th unit is just copy, paste quality as the first piece. That's what the industrial consistency. We don't sell budget gear that only looks good. We are your supplier chain partner. If you are looking for reliable supplier in China, you know who to call.